Very good afternoon, students. Myself, L.K. Tripathi, as your SST teacher from LPM Public School. Dear children, we have been discussing about History Chapter 4, that is for cities. About this chapter, we have studied 1-2 pages and most of the main points we have seen. How did city develop in Harappan civilization? In the sequence of the study, we shall see now the next topic, that is town planning. What type of town planning was there in this civilization? We shall study. Town planning is one of the unique features of the Indus Valley civilization. Most of the cities seem to be divided into two parts: the citadel, which was located on the raised ground, and the lower town located at lower height. Often walls of baked bricks were built around each part. These walls probably protected them from floods. To make the walls strong, the bricks were laid in an interlocking pattern. So we can imagine how advanced they were those days to plan their towns and plan their cities. They built their houses in very systematic manner. They also use interlocking manner to join the bricks so that during the floods, the flood could not harm the walls of the houses. That's why they use interlocking pattern in the bricks. Citadel manner. What is citadel? Citadel means that the raised part of the city, जो ऊंचा पार्ट, जो उठा हुआ पार्ट होता था सिटी का, उसे साइटेडल कहते थे. It was often described as the fort or administrative block. The citadel had massive walls. The walls provided protections against floods. The citadel consisted of important buildings like the granaries. Granary means where people kept their food grains. That was known granaries. And the assembly or town hall. That's why they built citadel. मीन्स जो रेस पार्ट ऑफ द सिटी होता था वहाँ पर एक ग्रैनरीज बनाते थे, जिससे कि बाढ़ के समय या बारिश के समय इनके जो है ग्रैनरीज खराब न हो. और आल्सो दे कंस्ट्रक्टेड असेंबली और टाउन हॉल्स. द ग्रैनरी एट मोहनजोदड़ो वाज द लार्जेस्ट बिल्डिंग ऑफ द सिटी. ये सबसे बड़ी बिल्डिंग हुआ करती थी ग्रैनरीज, स्टोर ऑफ फूड ग्रेन्स जिसको कहते हैं. इन हड़प्पा देयर वेयर ए मेनी एज 6 ग्रैनरीज. दीज वेयर सर्कुलर ब्रिक प्लेटफॉर्म्स फॉर थ्रेशिंग grain. 6 big granaries have been discovered from the site of Harappa. They were built in circular manner of the bricks, where they thresh the grain. Near these granaries, cried grains found on the threshing floors show that the Harappan grew wheat and barley. They grew wheat and barley those days. All the facts shows the fact. Now the next point we shall see. See this town citadel showcases the excellence that Indus people had achieved in architecture. जो भवन निर्माण कला के क्षेत्र में इनकी जो स्किल थी, आप इससे ये खुदाई के बाद की मिला हुआ शहर है इंडस का, जिससे आप यू कैन इमेजिन दैट हाउ मच इन वेल प्लान दे हैड built their cities. The lower town. The lower town was located below the citadel, where probably the common people lived. It was divided into rectangular blocks by wide roads. The roads run from north to south and east to west. Here the remains of the brick houses can be seen. The drainage system was praiseworthy. Provisions were made for street lighting. In very fine manner, they had not only the roads from north to south, east to west, but also they had very fine drainage system also. They connected and constructed such types of drains from their kitchen and their great bath. Now the next, the great bath. We shall see the great bath. What was the great bath? Close to the granary there was the great bath. It was a pool built on mud circles. It was sealed with a salt of tar and had a drain for keeping it clear. There were 2 flights of steps to enter into the pool. A well discovered on the stern side is supposed to have been used to fill the pool. Priests and rulers may have bathed here before religious ceremonies. This is also a great example of Harappan civilization. They constructed great bath very skillfully, and it was made close to the granaries. Granaries के बिल्कुल बगल में बनाया जाता था. ये पुल हुआ करता था मड सर्किल का, और इसको शील्ड किया गया था किससे? तार से. और ड्रेन जो इसमें जाती थी वो बिल्कुल ही क्लीन ड्रेन जाती थी. और इसमें यही नहीं था केवल, देयर वेर 2 फ्लाइट्स ऑफ स्टेप्स टू एंटर इन द पूल. 2 साइड से इस पूल में उतरा जा सकता था नहाने के लिए, जैसे प्रिस्ट और रूलर्स शायद इसमें नहाते थे बिफोर एनी रिलीजियस सेरेमनी, किसी भी धार्मिक अनुष्ठान से पहले. हाउसेज कैसे थे? Houses were 1 or 2 story high. All the houses were made of baked bricks of uniform size. Every house had 2 or more rooms, a bathroom, a kitchen, circular ovens, and a courtyard. In this way, the houses were made. Two rooms houses were mostly built, or 1 or 2 stories houses they built. The houses were also provided with doors and small windows. They had thick walls that kept the houses cool. मोटी दीवारें बनाते थे. मोटी दीवार से होता है कि मकान ठंडा रहता है. छोटी खिड़कियां लगाते थे, दरवाजे भी लगाते थे. They had thick walls that kept the houses cool. Windows did not open into the main street, due to which the houses were free from dust and noise. जो विंडो बनाते थे वो मेन स्ट्रीट की तरफ नहीं बनाते थे, जिससे कि धूल और डस्ट इसमें न आए, शोर शराबा न हो. Roofs of the houses were flat and most of the houses had wells, bathrooms and drains. In this way they built their houses. Now drainage. Let's see their drainage system. Through this picture you can also observe how much. ये ड्रेन देखिए इन गुड वे दे कंस्ट्रक्टेड द ड्रेन। ये नाली है इनकी पक्की नाली। ये की फीचर है अर्बन प्लानिंग की इंडस सिटीज़ की। बहुत ही बढ़िया इनकी जो है प्लानिंग थी और बहुत ही ये जो है इफ़िशिएंट थे अपने कल्चर और अपने टैलेंट में। द ड्रेन्स वेयर मेड ऑफ बेक्ड और kiln fired bricks. The kitchen and the bathroom had drains leading out in the alleys. The main drain ran alongside the main roads and was linked with bricks. Most of them were covered with slabs of stone. The drains were cleaned periodically. They were connected to the main drain in the street. जो ड्रेन बनाते थे किचन से लेके बाथरूम तक जो भी कनेक्शन था उसको स्लैब से कवर करते थे, जिससे कि इसमें किसी तरह का कूड़ा कचरा न जाए। और पीरियडिकली इसको समय समय पर साफ भी किया करते थे और मेन ड्रेन में ले जाकर के इसको मिलाते थे जो स्ट्रीट के पास हुआ करती थी। ऑक्यूपेशन क्या था इनका? द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन was weaving, pottery work, metal works, toy, jewelry, stone cutter, etc. ये इनका मेन ऑक्यूपेशन था। The Indus people were skilled in art of spinning and weaving. They manufactured woolen cloths from sheep and goats' hair. Trade. The Indus people had engaged themselves in inland and foreign trade. Remains of a dockyard discovered at Lothal in Gujarat clearly indicate this. This dockyard might have been the place where ships were loaded and unloaded. Thus, we can say that Indus people were familiar with ships. Indus seals have been found in Mesopotamia. Mesopotamian seals have also been found at several Indus sites. It suggests that the Indus people had trade relations with Mesopotamia. The merchant also used various kinds of weights and measures. This figure will show each and everything. There Indus people's relations were there with Mesopotamia also. Mesopotamian civilization also one of this. That is located in Gulf country, Iran, Iraq. Nile is there in Egypt. So 4 major civilizations have been found from the banks of the river. Social life. There were 3 social groups. The first group comprised people from the ruling class who lived in the citadel. Wealthy merchants and the high priest belonged to the first group. Some historians think that Indus cities were governed by a priest king. The figure of a person in regal attire. In this way, we have seen that the skill was very fine in the connection of their all sorts of life. Social life was also very fantastic, and they lived together with attire and in peaceful manner. Next, we shall see in next video. Till then, goodbye.